Welcome back to another video. And this we visited Stick Talk. Oh my gosh. Horrible. The customer service was horrible. So we walked in, we stayed, it was open seating, so they said sit down. We waited at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I would say, to even get a waitress. That was a red flag. Now the prices are not bad, but they can definitely improve. They need to improve on the customer service. So that was the menu. It's not bad. Inside is too small. Like, I would not go to this restaurant on a weekend, or I'll probably go when it's first busy. But it was horrible. The customer service was horrible. This is Stick Talk in Houston, Texas. Now the food, these are the wings. Now the wings, we came during happy hour. Delicious. You're going to see in the next video, I was tearing them up. The wings were seasoned to perfection. Seasoned to perfection. Now the food it was decent, but I would definitely say that they do need to improve on the customer service. These were the wings. They normally were like $10, but we came at happy hour, so they were like 50% off, in which the seasoning, the food is not bad. So this is Damon's plate. He got the chicken stir-fried rice. Again, you can see it's very, very good. Now, the food is kind of spicy. It is very spicy. And I had the Cajun crawfish rice. It was too spicy for me. It's just too spicy. Now, again, the food was good. Give it out of 6 out of 10. I'll probably give the food probably 6.5. But the customer service, that we waited. Even for our food, we had to wait. Again, this is Stick Talk in Houston. And you can see me almost wiping my nose. Now, they have this sauce, almost like a Benihana sauce. It was good. It was very good. But they need to improve on their customer service. The vegetables were really good. They were seasoned. It wasn't too hard on the vegetables. Again, this is Stick Talk. Again, customer service 0. Food 6 out of 10. Again, we won't be going back, but this is Stick Talk Cajun-Hibachi, so it's a Cajun flavor mixed with hibachi. Again, food was delicious, 6 out of 10, but the customer service 0. Again, comment below, where do you want us to go next? Give us a thumbs up. Until the next video.